Ben Gray here, Volvo Cars New Brunswick, and I'm here to tell you why you can drive a luxury sedan, this Volvo S60 right here, today, for less than you think. $123 a week, taxes included with zero down for this Swedish luxury sedan. Let's jump inside and I'll tell you why this S60 is the clear choice amongst competitors. So for the same price as most domestic sedans, you can find yourself driving a luxury car. People have this misconception that Volvo's a little out of the reach, but I'm here to tell you right now that it's not. This S60 is certified pre-owned, which only means good things for you. A 6-year, 160,000 kilometer comprehensive warranty from Volvo. Not a third party, it's from Volvo. On top of that, you're going to get low finance rates. I'm talking the lowest finance rates on any pre-owned car you'll find. You pair that with a 12-month Volvo on-call subscription and our complimentary white glove service. This is the clear choice. You're not familiar with our white glove service? Well, it's a game changer. So you buy this Volvo, this S60 right here, you never have to go out of your way for service again. We will come to your house or workplace anywhere in the province, even PEI. Pick up your S60, bring it back, do the work, and all the while you're driving another Volvo loaner car. You see, a lot of people make a good product, we make a great one, but you cannot beat fantastic service. There's nothing quite like the cockpit of a Volvo. If you start on the left side of our steering wheel, we have adaptive cruise control, a major convenience feature that's enjoyed by all of our customers. As we move over to the center console, you're going to enjoy factory navigation from Volvo, a full list of safety systems that are designed to protect you and the passengers in the car, some luxury features like heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, dual zone climate control, and of course our digital instrument cluster. Two things Volvo's world renowned for: safety and comfort. I can tell you all day how comfortable these seats are, but you have to find out for yourself in time. What I can show you right now is the full list of safety systems that are working for you and your passengers behind the scenes. Active bending lights, distance alert, blind spot information system, your traction control, aka sport mode, driver alert, city safety, collision warning, and active high beam. This car does so much for you behind the scenes. These are just a few of many benefits to driving one of the safest cars on the planet, a Volvo. Don't let all these safety features and benefits fool you. This is a very exciting car to drive. 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and you pair that with the T6 engine, 306 horsepower under here, with an all-wheel drive system. This thing can conquer winter roads and then some. It's a true driver's car. So if you're looking at a mid-sized sedan or any sedan at all, perhaps you can't find one that's all-wheel drive, do yourself a favor and look at this 2018 S60 at Volvo. It's less than you think, comes with more benefits than any other car you'll find in the market. And to top it all off, you're going to enjoy the premium white glove service we offer at Volvo Cars New Brunswick. Ben Gray, Premium Sales Consultant.